So on this slide, you just copy and paste the URL that's there, and then go to your web browser and paste that in. And that's going to take you to the actual block code that you need. Click edit in that window and that opens up the actual MakeCode website. Now the code is complete. It's been designed by the MakeMonks company, and all we have to do is download it. To set up the microbit with the air quality monitor, you take the green cable. It's easy just to work sometimes with specific colours. The green cable from pin 1 to the air quality monitor temperature probe, pin 2 with the yellow cable from pin 2 to the CO2 environmental sensor. The red one is your 3-volt energy supply, and then the black one clips onto the ground port on the microbit, and similarly to the ground port in the air monitor itself. And then that's it. At this point you will want to plug in your battery pack, and then all that's left to do now is to transfer that downloaded hex file to the microbit. And to do that you use your micro USB cable and just click and drag that from the computer onto the microbit.